My name is Sean Carney. I'm the Assistant Superintendent here at Stevenson High School. Stevenson High School is known for its excellence in education. In fact, we offer more AP exams than any other institution in the entire world. When we began the design with Wight Company, our architects, the idea behind these spaces was to create a warm, nurturing, inviting space, much like you would find at home.
These students work in a highly competitive environment, so anything that we could do that would bring them comfort was the goal. Certainly acoustics play a huge role, and the use of carpet, as Stevenson does in nearly all of its spaces, really contributes to that. I think there's something when visitors come to this building, they can't quite put their finger on why does it feel so good? And I think for sure the acoustics is a huge part of that. This space gets a tremendous amount of daily traffic to the tune of over 4,000 students. So the quality of the carpet to hold up to that level of use is really important, particularly the stain resistant qualities that the Dynex fiber has, being a cationic fiber. It just much more naturally releases the stains that the maintenance crew cleans up. But also helping with the crushing appearance. We rely heavily on the texture of the flooring design that we've come up with, being all these light, different colors. A huge part of that is the texture. So we can't have the carpet matte and crushed down in a way that other fibers would. To pull off a project of this size, where we have year after year improvements, we really needed a partner that could work with us and provide that high level of service, but also product that we just know is going to hold up, wear well, whether it comes to the carpet that is throughout the whole facility, or some of the more specialty spaces like the field turf and like the dance floor that we have in our fitness rooms.
So Tarkett became the obvious partner. Having Tarkett as a single source for all of our flooring needs has really been instrumental in achieving success for this particular project.